My name is Zawawi. I'm a data scientist at Blockchain Technology Malaysia. 2 months ago, I was approached by Araf to help his sister to make her 3D printed prosthetics. Zara is a 10 years old girl from Subang Jaya who was born without 3 fingers. Araf approached me for this project and I was very keen to help Zara. I also got the support from my company to continue with this project, and now we have designed Zara a prosthetic hands. It takes around 1 month to finish this project. For starters, I went to Araf's house and take the measurement using 3D scanner, and after that I bring the scan image to the computer and start designing her 3D prosthetics. And once we design it, we send it to 3D printer and start printing. The printing process takes around 6 to 7 hours. So after that, we will go again to his house and then to calibrate with her hands whether it fits well or not. If it fits well, and then we just keep it. If not, we have to redesign it again to make her comfortable with the 3D prosthetics.